You asked, how to divide 9920 by 4 using the long division method. 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 9, making 19. 19 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 19 minus 16 equals 3. Bring down 2, making 32. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2480.